Lemon is the best bleaching agent, which helps a lot in improving the complexion of the face. The ascorbic acid or vitamin C present in lemon acts as an antioxidant and helps in removing the blemishes from the skin and brings radiance. You can also use lemon juice as a pack by mixing it with other things. You can make a pack by adding 3 teaspoons of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder in a bowl. Or you can also make a pack by mashing 2 medium-sized tomatoes and adding 4 tablespoons of lemon juice to it. The lactic acid present in milk helps a lot in removing stains. Before going to bed at night, soak a cotton ball in milk and apply it on the stained area. Leave it overnight. Wash it with lukewarm water the next morning. Curd is made of milk, so it also contains lactic acid, which acts as a bleaching agent. Take curd as per requirement in a bowl and add half lemon juice to it and make a paste. Apply this paste on the stains. After drying, wash it with lukewarm water. According to Ayurveda, applying buttermilk on the stained area not only brings back the glow in the skin but also makes you feel fresh. Just like lemon, orange juice also has bleaching properties which help in removing stains. Take 2 tablespoons of orange juice in a bowl and add a pinch of turmeric to it and mix it well. Apply this paste thoroughly on the face before sleeping at night and wash it with lukewarm water the next morning. Apply honey as it is or make a paste with something else and apply it. It helps in removing dead cells from the skin and brings glow. Also, the enzyme present in honey helps a lot in making the skin soft and attractive. If your skin is sensitive, then try using it on your hand first and only then apply it on the face. Take lemon juice or olive oil as per requirement in a bowl. Add some honey to it and make a paste. After that, apply the paste on the face. You will start feeling freshness in your skin. Soak almonds and grind them. Add 1 teaspoon lemon juice and milk to it. After that, add some honey and make a good paste. Apply the paste on the face and wash it with water after it dries. Aloe vera gel has countless benefits which also helps in improving the skin. Cut the aloe vera leaf lengthwise and take out the gel. Apply that gel on the area with spots. Wash it with water after 30 minutes.